Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In this Windows 10 tutorial, I will be showing you how to enable fast startup. What this means is it will basically make Windows 10 start up a lot faster when you shut down your computer. To start off with, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click. You now need to click on Settings and you now need to click on System. We now need to go down to Power and Sleep. And we now need to click on Additional Power Settings. And we need to click on Choose what the power button does. And you now need to click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. And straight away, as you can see, we have a little checkbox next to Turn on Fast Startup. This helps start your PC faster after shutdown. Restart isn't affected. If this box is not ticked, then you now need to tick this box and then click on Save Changes, and that will enable Fast Startup. If you want to disable Fast Startup, then you need to untick the box and go Save Changes. And it really is that easy. Be prepared to have a faster computer once you turn it back on after doing a shutdown. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.